Hi guys, welcome back. It's Team Terra, and I'm going to show you how I got this cute little bob look, blunt bob look from my old Faithful Betty, meaning one of my old wigs that I've been having for years that I had to bring back to life, honey. So stay tuned so you can see how I got this fabulous hairstyle. So as you can see, this is one of my ugly Bettys. This is an old wig. Like, if you follow my Snapchat or my Instagram, you've seen I work with this wig so many times. It's getting to the point where it's kind of stiff, like at the end. So I'm like, let me cut off these dead ends and cut it into a bob. So that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I know the look that I'm going for. Even though I'm pregnant and my face is getting a little bit round, I'm just gonna go in and cut it the desired length that I want. I kind of want it exactly at like my neck, no longer than my shoulders. Excuse me, I'm on the phone with my sister. She's making me laugh. She's so funny. And I don't even have like no professional scissors on hand. So I just grabbed the nearest scissors, and there's some school scissors. I was talking about, I look like Dora. And just going across, like, I'm not even like, you don't have to be a professional to cut. Like, just know the length, make sure it's even on both sides, and keep it moving. And you'll see at the very end, I did have to go in and cut some, like a jagged look to it because it was kind of too blunt. And then also it was too full at the bottom, and I definitely didn't want that full look at the bottom because it will really give off this little Dora look. It's heavy and it doesn't have any, it just weighs down the hair. So that's why I went in and added some texture towards the end. So if you hear some noise in the background, my vacuum is doing its duty. But let me give you a little background on this hair. Like I said, I've been having it for a very long time. It's from Maven Hair. It's their dyed collection. So to me, it's not human hair. I mean, it's on the verge of human hair, but it's also like beauty supply store hair, not like Indian or, you know, Brazilian hair or any of that. So that's why I think that, because his hair is already dyed, you can't dye it any darker, any lighter. It's just a set dye hair color. That's why I think it's like, it resembles a beauty supply store hair, but it lasts for a very long time. Also, I don't use it that often, wear it that often. So, but yeah. So it came with a closure in 3 bundles, and I cut it. But this has been so long, I can't even tell you. I did cut it to the look that you see in the beginning, and now I'm cutting into this bob. I'm just gonna fast forward it a little bit. I did see that I had little humps in it, and I'll fix that at the very, very end, at the top of my hair, because I didn't like it and I didn't notice it until, like I said, to the very end of this video. Anytime you're doing a blunt bob like this, you will need a mirror or some extra hands in the back to see if everything is in sync, is cut straight across without any hair left out, and it's not looking choppy. Like, you just have to work with it. So since I've been doing hair for a very, very, very long time, weave, natural hair, and all of the above, I know how to take care of hair. I know how to cut hair. I can take this wig off, turn it backwards, and cut it straight across, and it will do the exact same thing. But yeah, so I know how to cut hair. Usually when I'm cutting bobs, I do like to use like a rubber band method and go up, but since this is a straight bob, I had to work with what I had, literally working with some school supply scissors to get the job done. So this is when I was talking about I had to go in and add the texture at the bottom of the hair because it was really heavy and I needed to be lightweight. I didn't want to look like Dora, so I'll go in with the flat iron and then go in with the scissors and add that texture towards the end. This hair was a little bit greasy, meaning it needed to be washed, and I was gonna do that, but I'm just showing y'all how I was so precise with that cut and how the bangs came out. It wasn't as full as I wanted, but if you pull it down, then you can see. And then this is the final look once I have my makeup on. The hair is banging, honey. I have these little choppy bangs. I did cut my bangs up a little bit. But like I said, if I pull the hair down, it becomes a little bit fuller. And if you pull it back, it'll look like this. And it's the bangs look a little bit more thin, on a thinner side, which I didn't mind. I just didn't want any bangs in my face because of my eyelashes. So if you I got some more pictures for y'all. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please leave a big old thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Stay blessed. Bye.